In today's time, there is a great need for the accurate and reliable news. Misinformation is creating confusion and spreading rumors among people. Nowadays, the number of users on social media is increasing day by day. Some people are sharing accurate and reliable information, while others are using social media negativity to spread fake news and promote misleading products. Therefore, we have launched the Inside Informed Report channel with the aim of raising public awareness and broadcasting true and fact. It will be emphasize correct fact and in-depth analysis by our experienced journalists, whether it is national or international news. We will present the real truth on every issue, ensuring you receive accurate information so you can make the right decision. To stay connected with our channel, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thank you so much. Bye.